Namaste and good morning. First of all, thank you very much for watching the videos and reaching out to me. That's really motivated me to create more videos. So today's posture is side plank or Utthita Vasisthasana. So for that, we're going to come to our hands and knees. Your hands are in line with the shoulders, your knees are in line with your hips. You can do a couple of cat and cow here first. So just get warmed up. Then you're bringing your right hand in the middle, right knee in the middle too. Then you're lifting your left arm up toward the ceiling, looking at your left hand. And then you are straightening your left leg. So now, watch a couple of things. Your right hand and right shoulder are in line. Your left leg is straight. Your entire body is in line, left arm up toward the ceiling. So this is the modified version of the posture. From here, in order to get ready for the next one, you can slowly lift the left leg up, bring it down, slowly. So now you are working on your TFL muscle. So try this couple of times. Once you're ready, you're gonna slowly shift the more weight on your arm, right arm, and straighten the right leg. So your left leg is on top of the right leg. Hold it here for a couple of breaths, and again you can add more strength while lifting your leg up and down. And once you're ready, you can lift the leg higher and maybe grab your toe with your left hand. Hold for a couple of breaths and then slowly come back. And then you're ready, bring your left hand on the floor, come to the plank, and then same thing on the other side. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video again. Namaste and have a great day.